Everyone, this is Becky with Scotland Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find and edit your KW agent site subdomain or your URL for your KW agent site. So they did just make some updates to the website's applet in command, so I'm excited to get to show you how you can go in and edit this now. So what we're going to do first is we are going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com. And we are going to navigate to the website's applet on the left-hand side. So we're going to go there. And now down here, you're going to see some options. We can go ahead and copy our website URL right here if we'd like. I'm going to click that just so you can see what it looks like. And then we'll paste it in a new tab. And it'll tell us what that URL is right there. If you wanted to just grab that really easily, you certainly can. Next, we are going to look at how we can change it. So we're going to go to our settings. We're going to click Manage Settings. And on the left-hand side, we're going to go all the way down to My Subdomain. So under My Subdomain, we're going to see our website URL again right here. So this part right here is the part we can change. .kw.com is always going to appear on that site. So we can go ahead and we can change this however we'd like. We can add something to that. And then if we just say claim subdomain, it's going to make that change automatically. It will immediately populate on our site and it will free up our original subdomain for any other agent to use. So that's how you would do that. If you have any questions, run into any snags with this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help you out.